Hi guys! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I created some of my images for my digital book. I used the Sketches app that I found in the App Store. I believe it was $5. And you say, okay. For this app, you commonly use a stylus. Some of the drawings I use my finger, but a stylus does work best. And these are some of the drawings that I did for my book. And today I'm going to show you just how to do a simple leaf in the program. So on our side we have multiple pens and tips that you can use, ranging from very fine to airbrush. And this one is watercolor. We have a marker tip, very, very fine, and some airbrush. Just head back. So for my drawings, I used a blue background. So we're going to slide to the right and make sure that we're on our first level. This would be our second level and our third. So we're on our first. And we're going to go, I'm going to pick blue. I'm going to use my airbrush tool, which is right here. And I want the largest setting. So I'm going to swipe it back. And with my stylus, I'm going to press down just as if I were coloring. And a nice blue screen. Once that's done, slide from the right. Make sure I am on the second level. And then tap back to the center. Pull out my tools. And now I want to use the marker. The marker is good for nice thick lines. So for my leaf, I'm going to do a dark green. I'm going to start. I'm just going to create that leaf shape. Pretty choppy right now, but once we go back to the first level, we can erase and add texture. So since we're here, I'm going to zoom in a bit. We're on our first level, so nothing on the second will be affected. So I'm going to go to my eraser. I get on medium. I'm going to erase the blue that's inside my leaf. For a lot of my drawings, they did go out of the lines, but I wanted that messy, hand-drawn look. So you're just going, cleaning up the insides. Make sure you get all that blue. That's good. Now we're going to go back to our first level, or second level. And I still want to use airbrush, but now I want to make it a little bit smaller, and I want to make it dark green. And go in, just color, make it even smaller to get into the crevices. And for some backing, I want to use watercolor, so I'm going to pick the same green, go in, and it really gives the leaf a natural look. I'm going to zoom out, go back to my marker, and add a stem. Some vines. And whoop, that's how you make a leaf in Sketches. Now I'm going to use two fingers, make it smaller, and drag up, which puts in an envelope. It gives you multiple options on where you can send your photo. You can either post it online, save it in Dropbox. For me, I'm going to save it to my photo library. So I'm going to type that flower. And now it is saved. So now we have all the photos in our gallery, and all can be saved in separate folders. And that's it.